Hello everybody, welcome to Identifying the Purposes of Texts. So there are 4 different purposes of text we're going to look at today. First one is illustration. So we have illustration. Moving on, we have description. So description. Thirdly, we have explanation. So explanation. Finally, we have argument. So argument. So an illustration means to say how or why something is as it is. Moreover, a description is to give an account of something. So giving an account of something, we call a description. Furthermore, an explanation is to say how or why something is as it is. Last but not least, an argument is to persuade someone by giving reasons for accepting a conclusion. So rationally persuading by giving reasons for accepting a conclusion. All right, well, let's have a bit of review there. So if we review what a description is, always remember that a description is an account or a record of a person, place, or event. When we describe, we try state the facts about some state of affairs or even their features. So a good example of this is maybe giving directions to someone. So if you're visiting London and you would like to see the Big Ben, or if you're visiting Paris and you want to see the Eiffel Tower, you're describing to someone how you would get there. So that's what we mean by descriptions. Okay, maybe we can move on a little bit further then. Next, we have an illustration. Now, the easiest way to remember what an illustration is an illustration is another word for an example. Illustrations can be used to clarify, maybe, or prove something. So, for example, in the UK, we have some world-class universities. For example, Oxford and Cambridge. So when you illustrate something, you're giving an example of something. That's an easy way to remember an illustration, right? Okay, let's move on a little bit further then. So next we have an explanation, right? So explanation, right? So the explanation attempts to say how or why something is the way it is. Okay. Moving on, we have an argument, and an argument attempts to rationally persuade someone or even something by means of giving reasons. So in other words, premises for accepting a conclusion. In an argument, one tries to prove or demonstrate something. So that's what we mean by an argument. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for listening here. And as always, take care and stay awesome.